Good evening, it's Mia. Tonight, I'm sharing my cozy night routine on a day when I'm looking after my family's dog. I hope you will relax and watch this vlog while winding down after work or in between chores. Lately, it's been so hot that I get drenched in sweat just by stepping outside for a bit. At home, I like to stay comfortable in easy clothes. To make my clothes last as long as possible, I always zip them up all the way before washing them. It also helps my washing machine last longer too. The second thing I do when I get home is wash my hands and take a deep breath. Just doing that helps me switch gears. Tonight, our family dog Sola is staying with us. He loves playing with toys. This stuffed animal used to be an otter, but as you can see, it's lost all shape by now. After playing with Sola for a bit, I sharpened my kitchen knife and started preparing dinner. I've heard that ideally you should sharpen your knife every time you cook, but since I tend to be a bit lazy, I usually just sharpen it whenever I feel it's starting to get dull. I got this knife 2 years ago through a hometown tax donation program, and I really love how it looks, how comfortable it feels in my hand, and how well it cuts. I want to take good care of the things I own, so instead of replacing it, I'd rather keep sharpening it and use it for many more years to come. One carrot goes into a normal salad, and another will be used for tomorrow's breakfast rice. Thanks to having a garbage disposer, I don't have to deal with food scraps, which is a huge help. It keeps others away and even reduces the amount of trash. Super convenient. Next, I'm going to julienne some carrots using a slicer from Italy. I love Nitri's products. They are simple, practical, and one of my favorite brands. After slicing, I cover them with plastic wrap and microwave at 600 watt for 3 minutes. If you are not a fan of extra moisture, you can put the carrots in a plastic bag, poke a few holes, and squeeze out the liquid. But I like to keep it, since it's full of nutrients. The seasoning is very simple. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I'm also adding my favorite Yasumaru dashi, which is essential whenever I cook Japanese dishes. Compared to regular store-bought dashi, it has a much richer and deeper flavor. It's actually the top-selling dashi in Shikoku, and I can see why. Today, I used their special roasted dashi, but they have different kinds, so you can enjoy various flavors even with the same recipe. You can either steep the whole packet in hot water to make broth, or, like I'm doing today, cut it open and use the powder directly as a seasoning. If you are interested, check out the link in the description box. You can get it at a special price. Lately, it's been over 30 degrees every day, so I've been making more meals with salted kelp or pickled plums to keep my energy up. I'm also preparing another carrot for tomorrow morning's takikomi gohan, or Japanese mixed rice. This carrot is a bit older and has dried out a little, but turning it into mixed rice helps keep it delicious without noticing the dryness. I'm adding some pressed berry for extra nutrition to the white rice. Using pre-washed rice saves time and makes meal prep easier. As for seasoning, I usually eyeball it. A bit of sake, mentsuyu, mirin, and flaxseed oil that's good for visceral fat. It's still a bit early to set the rice cooker on the timer, so for now, I'll keep it in the fridge. By the way, if you add a few ice cubes right before cooking, it's said to bring out more sweetness in the rice. For dessert, we're having a maggot orange and some kiwi. Both my husband and I love fruit, so instead of buying sweets, we treat ourselves to fresh fruit. It's a small joy for us. Tomorrow, I want to focus completely on my wedding preparations. So today, I'm getting all the cooking I can do out of the way. I prepped some French toast for tomorrow's lunch. Bread tends to expire before I can finish it, but freezing it really helps me use it all up without waste. I always run the bath so it's ready when my husband gets home. No matter how busy we are, we make sure to soak in the tub for at least 5 minutes. It really feels like it washes away all the stress of the day. Until my husband gets home, I relax and watch TV with Sora. I spend at least 5 minutes catching up on the news each day. Then I like to play music on YouTube or watch calming blogs. It's my little way to unwinding. After a while, my husband comes home. Sora absolutely adores him, so he goes wild with excitement the moment he walks through the door. He loves him so much that it's impossible for my husband to unpack his bags. So I gently call Sora back. Tonight's dinner main is himo kawa u don, a white fried noodle I bought during our trip to Kusatsu Onsen. It's so delicious I wish I'd bought more. I quickly saute some frozen green onions and regular onions, season with salt, and top the noodles with them. I also prepare a salad. I always try to make my husband's plate look nice, but for mine, as long as it's edible, I don't mind. We also have some juicy homemade chicken ham I prepared earlier. And to drink our favorite leche, Oropo. It's just supposed to drink like Aquarius or Pocari Sweat mixed 1-to-1 ratio with Oronamin C, refreshing and delicious. So I can't stop staring at our food the whole time. Totally less stress. Dinner with my husband, chatting about nothing in particular, is truly precious to me. We talk about work, our wedding plans, tiny bits of happiness we found today, and our dreams for the future. I hope we will still be doing this, even when we are old and gray. After dinner, I brushed my teeth right away. My dentist recommended switching to a sonic toothbrush, and it really makes my teeth feel so much smoother. It only costs around $30 too, which is nice. Washing the dishes is actually one of my favorite chores. I wipe down the stove, sink, and the table too, remembering my mom's advice. If you clean a little every day, you will never need a big spring cleaning. Or so I thought. I just found a cup I left on the table, and I'll wash that tomorrow. When the chores are done, it's time to unwind. Brewing a cup of tea is my little ritual. I even enjoy the time spent deciding which tea to drink. While the water bars, I refill the rice container. Rice has gotten so expensive lately, but seeing government stockpile rice in stores is reassuring. I can't imagine life without rice in our home. My husband and I love watching movies at home too. Tonight, we are watching Jurassic Park Lost World. No matter how many times we see it, it's always fun. The other day, we went to the theater together to see Mission Impossible Dead Reckoning. It was so good. Those 3 hours flew by in no time. Going to the cinema is great, but on hot days like this, it's nice to just relax on the sofa and enjoy some cozy time together at home. Tonight, Sora joined us too, so the three of us snuggled up on the sofa for a little movie time. And the next morning, before the asphalt heats up, I take Sora for a walk. We take a break at the local park. Even the morning sun makes me sweat quickly. But watching people walk their dogs or jog reminds me how nice it feels to start the day with good weather. We are about to go on an overseas trip together. So today, I'm flipping through our guidebooks and planning where to go. My husband and I love traveling, and lately, we've gotten hooked on correcting guidebooks. Just looking at them makes me happy. One recommendation that caught my eye was afternoon tea, so I've already made a reservation. Actually, we are also planning our honeymoon in Europe, so I picked up another guidebook just for that. I'm so excited to plan it all out. I also prepared a little gift for my husband, a massage ticket. It's my small way of saying thank you for always being so thoughtful and hardworking. We are getting married in September. One of my close friends will be doing my nails on the big day. So we are doing trial nails from time to time. Because of my work as a nurse, I couldn't wear nail polish before, but lately I've gotten interested in it. Even if it's just on my days off, I really enjoy my nail time. I'm still not very good at painting them, but I want to get better with practice. I feel like brown shades suit my nails, even if certain colors don't suit me well. Calm, muted colors helps me relax too. My nails hadn't fully dried, so while I was hanging up laundry, I accidentally chipped a few of them. I tried using a darker brown polish I bought recently, but maybe it turned out a bit too dark. While I plan our trip, I like to have my favorite travel YouTuber, Shigetabi, playing in the background. It really gets me in the travel mood. Something I was really looking forward to also arrived, a new magnetic dispenser. The one I used before only pumped out a tiny bit at a time, so I'd have to press it 5 times. If I pressed too hard, it would fall off and break at the connection. Thick conditioners would also clog it, which was a pain. I did some research and found this new dispenser with great reviews. So I decided to give it a try, and I love it. It's so easy to use that I can't really think of any downsides, except maybe that the silver pearls show fingerprints easily. I sprayed it with a water repellent spray I had at home. It comes in white, black, and gray, but since darker colors show dirt more easily in wet areas, I chose white to keep things looking bright and clean. I use a foaming birdie watch from Biore. So I refilled the dispenser with my shampoo and conditioner. Even thick conditioners work fine thanks to the included attachment. The large opening makes refilling easily too. By the way, the conditioner is Odor, which I buy at my hair salon. I used to use Odor shampoo too, but it's a bit pricey. So now I use a more affordable one. The dispenser also has a little window, so I can see how much is left. One push gives me plenty and the sturdy lever feels durable. It was a bit of an investment, but I'm so glad I bought it. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this video, I'll be so happy if you'd like it and subscribe to my channel for support. See you in the next video.